Justin Timberlake, who had been facing a criminal charge of driving while intoxicated, pleaded guilty today instead to a reduced violation charge of driving with ability impaired. The plea leaves Timberlake free of a criminal record, which he would have had if convicted of the original misdemeanor charge. The Mirror's hitmaker was seen wearing a dark sweater over a black t-shirt and brown slacks as he walked through a sea of reporters and bystanders on Sag Harbor's main street to enter the court. Timberlake was arrested early in the morning on June 18 in the Hamptons after a night of drinking at the American Hotel. As part of the plea deal, he agreed to pay the maximum fine of $500 and surcharge of $260. Additionally, he committed to making a public statement about the danger of drunk driving. Judge Carl Erase initially expressed dissatisfaction with the proposed statement, preferring a public service announcement. However, he ultimately accepted the deal under certain conditions. Timberlake's demeanor in court was somber. He expressed a desire to avoid returning to the courtroom and stated his love for the Sag Harbor area. A major component of the plea deal struck by Timberlake's attorney Edward Burke Jr. and the Suffolk County District Attorney's Office was that after entering his plea, he would give a public statement about the dangers of drinking and driving. To make the public announcement, Timberlake and his attorney exited the courthouse through a pedestrian bridge that connected the court to the police headquarters. This was the same bridge he had crossed in handcuffs on the night of his arrest. At the police headquarters, Timberlake addressed the media, speaking about the dangers of drunk driving. Before the announcement, he had entered his guilty plea and faced questioning from Assistant District Attorney Ashley Kangaroo and Justice Erase. While Kangaroo accepted Timberlake's admission of the basic elements of the violation, Erase pressed for more details about the event leading up to his decision to drive. Timberlake reported expressed deep remorse and acknowledged the life lesson he had learned. In addition to the fine, Timberlake's driving license was suspended for 90 days. This suspension ran concurrently with a previous year-long revocation by the Department of Motor Vehicles due to his refusal to take a breath test. Judge Erase emphasized the importance of community service and required Timberlake to complete between 25 and 40 hours of service. Timberlake agreed and expressed a desire to reach people of all ages with his message. Moved by Timberlake's sincerity, Erase approved the minimum number of community service hours and allowed Timberlake to choose the charity where he would serve. As he left the courtroom, Timberlake thanked the judge and expressed a hope to see him again. At one point, he said to Erase, "I do not want to be back here again," to which the judge cheekily replied, "You should come back to Sag Harbor. It is a beautiful place." The singer chuckled and agreed. A statement regarding Timberlake's case by District Attorney Raymond A. Tarney read, "Today, Mr. Timberlake chose to plead guilty and accept responsibility for driving while his ability was impaired by alcohol. We appreciate his willingness to hold himself accountable for his behavior and for using his platform to increase public awareness about the dangers of drunk driving."